While the world focuses on the AI rivalry between the United States and China, another massive player is quietly entering the arena: India. Tech giants like Amazon, Google, and Microsoft are investing tens of billions of dollars into the country, betting that India could become one of the most important AI ecosystems on the planet. The reason is simple: scale. India has more than 700 million smartphone users, extremely cheap mobile data, and a digital infrastructure that generates enormous amounts of real-world data every day. For AI companies running out of high-quality training data, this is a goldmine. The country has over 100 major languages, massive economic diversity, and one of the largest populations of engineers in the world. This makes India a perfect testing ground for AI systems that must work across different languages, cultures, and economic conditions. However, India still lacks deep capital that powers AI development in Silicon Valley and Beijing. Instead of trying to build the next OpenAI from scratch, many Indian startups are focusing on building practical AI applications using existing models. With government incentives and foreign investment, India might be redefining what winning actually means, building AI at a scale that works for billions of people.